Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today I'd like to show you how I made a couple wreaths for front doors. Let's get started. Today I'm trying to organize the flowers here for two wreaths for the upstairs front doors and two swags for the downstairs front doors. So I'm trying to put them together. I had purchased at the 99-cent store the base. They were actually on sale for I think $4. They were $8 regularly on sale for $4. So what I've done is with the other flowers that I got at the dollar store, I'm putting them in between this spring color and trying to make it a summer theme. So watch as I go through the process. I'm doing this outside at least to put the flowers together, and then of course once the flowers are put into the correct spot, then I'll use the glue gun to glue them down. So this is what the two wreaths look like before we add on the other flowers to the wreaths. So let's watch the process. I've moved the wreath project inside because I have more space on the kitchen counter here. So I have everything laid out here, all the flowers on the kitchen counter. And of course, I also have the two wreaths here. So I'm going to add the flowers on as we go along. I will show you each step of the way how I've incorporated the different colors into this yellow base to make it more summertime, or give it a more summertime look. So let's get started. The next step is I cut all the flowers into individual pieces, so they're not on bunches anymore. They're all separate pieces, and I put them all together based on colors here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the wreath and kind of add the flowers on top and get an idea of where everything gets placed, and then I'll use the glue gun to glue the flowers onto the wreaths. So this is a process that I'm at right now. So I'll get the wreaths now and I'll add the flowers on, and then afterwards I'll glue it on. So let's move on to the next step. This is the next step. I have each flower in place and the ribbon here as well. These are the two swags that I made. I have them in line and I just need to kind of flush the flowers out so that they blend in and that they are all looking nice and neat and at the same level. These are over here, the two wreaths for upstairs, and so I just need to level them off before I glue them so they're all at the same level. All the petals are open and look really lifelike. So that's my my project right now before I glue everything in. So this is the other one. So I actually have four. I have two for upstairs front doors and two for the downstairs. Two swags for the front doors downstairs and two wreaths for the upstairs front doors. So that's four, so that everything matches there. And these are just extra flowers that I have here. I just put them in vases so they're not scattered around. So this is pretty much what it is until I level them off before I glue. Then I glue, and after gluing I'll be able to put them up, and then we'll see exactly how they look on the doors. So I'm excited to get to the next phase. So let's keep on watching. this is what it looks like using the ones from upstairs. They are much bigger and much brighter, and looks, I think, much better on the front door here. So we'll figure it out. But this is the other option that I have, that I could just use these for downstairs and then do something else for upstairs. This is what they look like from this vantage point. You can see one on the left and one on the right. There are two doors down on this area here on the balcony. So I hope you like this video. I hope you'll take time to subscribe to my channel. That is, if you have not already done so. Again, thank you for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you next Friday in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.